A mole can be quite industrious, digging up to 50 meters of tunnel in a day and causing considerable inconvenience for landowners. However, the good news is that mole traps are now more affordable. This particular spring-loaded trap comes at a reasonable cost of just $17. Buyers are advised to pinpoint the active mole tunnels before strategically setting up the trap. Sellers proudly claim that this trap stands out for being faster, safer, and simpler to use compared to its counterparts. Effective in all types of soil, the trap can be easily deactivated with a special button, allowing it to be relocated to another area on the plot. It's a mole-catching solution that's both efficient and budget-friendly. Our selection continues with a tool specifically crafted for viticulture and forestry experts, a remarkable electric tying machine. This device might find favor in France, a country boasting a substantial 797,000 hectares of vineyards as of 2020, second only to Spain. Engineered for durability, this tool can handle up to 8,000 ties on a single charge. Weighing in at a mere 615 grams, excluding the battery, it promises user-friendly maintenance, a comfortable grip, and an ample wire reel capacity. Anticipated to be available later this year, it aims to make the tasks of vineyard and forestry professionals more efficient. Once the moles are successfully removed, enhancing the overall appearance of the plot can be achieved by planting new trees. This device not only captivates enthusiasts but also appeals to professionals such as landscapers. To ensure optimal growth in their new environment, trees need support, and that's precisely what this telescoping system provides. With adjustable lengths ranging from 25 to 38 centimeters, it easily attaches to the base and features a padded ring to prevent any harm to the trunk. While the price of $17 without a post may be considered a downside, it does include a flexible band. According to the manufacturer, this system is suitable for all trees with a trunk diameter of 5 centimeters or more, and the ring design allows for slight swing, promoting the growth of stronger roots. Nothing is more disheartening than witnessing a seedling you've been nurturing for weeks indoors get washed away by the first heavy rain, laments the seller of these protective cloches. This simple yet effective product comprises a polypropylene frame and a plastic vent ring, offering various benefits. Many plants can sail through rain and withstand strong winds, especially when special staples are added. There are different designs to choose from. For instance, the bucket-like version is priced at $55 for 3, while the one resembling a fridge shelf costs $40 for 3. According to the creators of this irrigation system, the future of lawn care has arrived. They assert that it brings more relaxation, reduces manual labor, and could potentially save around $2,000 on water equipment and other expenses over an 8-month period. This proposition sounds intriguing, doesn't it? But that's not all. How about the convenience of quick installation within minutes and the ability to control it directly from your smartphone? All you need is a water hose and a Wi-Fi connection. With this system, you can configure watering zones through an app, and it even automatically adjusts to the weather. Additionally, there's an option to incorporate specialized units for fertilization, insect repellency, and air deodorization. Each unit covers a radius of 9 meters, and multiple units can work together or alternate based on water pressure. The price for a single unit stands at $340. If your pumpkins and other garden plants aren't thriving, it might be because they need more water. While it might sound simple, consider this. Cucumbers are made up of around 97% water, and tomatoes contain about 95%. To address this, Gardena, a leading gardening company from Germany, suggests giving drip irrigation a try. This method is useful for nurturing seedlings indoors and tending to plants in your garden. For instance, they offer a kit designed for 15 plants, suitable for pots, easily expandable, and capable of accommodating various water needs. The cost for this solution is approximately $45. Many urban dwellers desire to decorate their apartments with plants, but lack the time and energy for plant care. Luckily, there is a solution. This agricultural technology system caters to both hydroponics and traditional ground planting. The pots are eco-friendly, crafted from recyclable food-grade polymer, and can be easily joined and separated. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth compatibility, the system can be controlled from a smartphone. The basic version has a 16-liter capacity, providing enough space for 30 to 45 days of automatic watering. Additional features like solar panels, lighting, and more are available. The basic kit is priced at $229 and includes 6 pots for traditional planting and 6 pots for hydroponics. A couple of years back, the UN figured out that over 900 million tons of food get tossed globally each year. The creators of this composter got the right idea. Why waste when you can recycle? Load in food leftovers, fruit and veggie peels, fish bones, and even coffee grounds, and the machine churns out compost. It has 9 modes, with the quickest one pre-composting 500 milliliters of waste in 2 hours, perfect for a 3-person family. It's dishwasher safe, and smells are a no-go thanks to the deodorizing setup. The composter is priced at $270. If you already have a collection of plants, even without smart hydroponic pots, this sensor can help you understand them better. Weighing just 20 grams, it monitors light, temperature, soil moisture, and nutrient saturation. The data is sent to the free Android or iOS app, which uses the camera to identify the plants and provides care advice. For optional placement, the pot height should be 10 to 15 centimeters. Replaceable rods are available, and the rechargeable battery lasts for 2 years. The sensors can be purchased individually or as part of a kit with a hub for easy connection to your Wi-Fi network. The price for a single sensor is $43. Now, let's discuss the Scaler 2, a versatile solution that packs a punch. This compact yet potent pump is great for drawing groundwater, lifting up to 45 meters. Operating smoothly thanks to automatic regulation, its noise level is modest at around 47 decibels, about as loud as an air conditioner. The price is reasonable, around $620. We wonder how well this pump pairs with the sprinkler system, which is especially efficient for rectangular or square spaces with a watering range of 18 meters and coverage for 216 square meters. Each sprinkler costs $36. Here's a clever and straightforward system from Germany, a handle equipped with a multitude of attachments. Want to spruce up your garden? No problem. Simply place a lamp or a flower pot. Planning a romantic dinner? There's a special accessory for candles. Interested in observing nature? Utilize the bird feeder and insect hotel. This system proves useful throughout the year, and its installation and disassembly require no tools. The ClickUp system ensures effortless and secure attachment. Moreover, the special balcony clamp allows for easy mounting on both round and square balcony railings. The materials used are resistant to rain and UV rays. The price for the handle is $35, while the insect hotel costs $55. As autumn nears in certain parts of the world, it's time to consider leaf cleanup. Luckily, a German company has this product that blows and vacuums leaves. It weighs just 3 kilograms, runs on a battery, and has a shredder. The airspeed hits 210 kilometers per hour. With wheels and a belt, you won't strain your back even on bumpy ground. Without the battery and charger, it's $165.